Alright, I'm doing my presentation on delivery drones. Kind of an overview of what delivery drones are, as they're drones that are going to be used to deliver packages from companies to the consumers. This is a new technology, so it is not yet mastered. That's why it's not widely used right now, and that's why they're still doing a lot more work to it to retouch it and make it so it's usable on a bigger scale. Who's interested in this type of technology? Big retailers such as Amazon and Walmart and delivery companies like UPS are really interested in this technology because it can help make packages easier and more efficiently delivered to the people, and it can also save a lot of money, which a lot of companies would love to do. Some pros of delivery drones are a reduced cost because drones don't have to use gas and other things like that. And the biggest saver would be less human expenses. Since the drones that they would send out would be automated, they would just send it, put in a GPS location, and send it out, and it would go and it would deliver the package to where it needed to go, instead of having a person in a car deliver it. So instead of having to pay someone in a car to go and deliver the package, they can just send it out and it'll automatically send it out. Pros continued. The delivery times would be reduced by a lot because the drones would only be able to carry one package at a time. So the drones wouldn't have to make more than one stop because they couldn't make more than one stop. So they would send it straight from the warehouse that it was coming from, and it would go straight to the location that it needed to go, with nothing in between, and this would reduce the times by a lot. Cons? It's not yet reliable, and the drones could crash. Right now, the technology we have is not good enough to do this on a wide scale, and that's why it's not used right now. So right now, the drones could crash a lot, but in the future, the technology should be more improved to where this will be fixed by the time it is widely used. And there's also concerns that drones might not deliver the package to the right spot. And this is something that would be fixed with better technology. The improvement of GPS and the cameras on the drones would help a lot to make sure that the package gets delivered to the right spot. Cons continued. Privacy concerns. A lot of people are worried because the drones that would be delivering the packages do have cameras, and they're worried that the drones are going to take cameras of them, and that pictures and businesses like Amazon and Walmart are going to have their picture. But this is not really a big concern because the cameras they're not supposed to take pictures. They're supposed to just take pictures of people. They're just supposed to take pictures of the ground and houses to make sure that the GPS and the camera are lined up and that the drone is delivering the packages to the correct spots. And the camera would be pointed down, so as to not take pictures of the people. The future of it looks like this is something that's going to become really big as Amazon and Walmart and a lot of big corporations are putting a lot of money and time into it. So it's looking like it's going to be something that's going to become normal. And of course, it's not really usable and it's not normal now because the technology is not good enough, but because of all the resources that are being put into it, the technology will improve, and this is going to become something maybe even just as big as just normal car delivery that is used right now. And that's my presentation.